Welcome to Update HR. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to sign up for Update HR and get started with our powerful HR solutions. First, open your web browser and go to our website at www.updatehr.com. Once you're on our homepage, click on the Try for Free button at the top right corner of the page. Now you'll see a sign-up form. Fill in your basic information, including your name, email address, password, and company address. In the next step, you need to verify your email address. You will receive a verification code in the email you provided, which you need to enter to proceed to the next step. After verifying the email address, you will move on to the next steps. Here you need to enter some basic company information, such as the company name, subdomain name, which can be anything you choose. You can simply type your company name without spaces, number of employees, company phone number, and company type. After submitting the company information, your initial sign-up is complete. You can now sign into your account by entering the email address and password you provided earlier during registration, and then sign into your account. After signing into your account, you will see your company onboarding form. You just need to provide some additional information about your company to successfully onboard it to the Update HR dashboard. After providing the basic information, you need to enter your office schedule, including the company's working days, off days, and office hours. The next step is email configuration, which you can skip for now. Proceed to the next part where you can upload your company logo and favicon. The final step is to choose the subscription model that best suits your needs. After selecting the appropriate model, congratulations, you have successfully completed the sign-up process. Now click the Go to My Application button, enter the email and password you provided during registration, and access your company dashboard. And that's it. You're now signed up and ready to explore all the features Update HR has to offer. In the upcoming videos, we will explore each feature in detail.